Our company uses Buildxact for the full project management of our projects. We build our estimates, we keep our client information, purchase orders, work orders, invoicing, all runs through the program.
Buildxact is an easy-to-use estimating and job management software for small residential builders and trades. Mitre 10 has partnered with Buildxact to help you run a better business.
It's made my office work a lot easier, a lot more efficient. Buildxact gives me confidence that every job is going to be tracked correctly and efficiently.
I'm able to be on site, run the job, be home, run the office. So without Buildxact, I'd definitely need another office staff.
With Buildxact, you get everything you need in one place. Do fast takeoffs and accurate estimates using Mitre 10 price lists that you can turn into good-looking quotes for your customers. And when you win the project, turn your estimate into a job so you can schedule trades, order materials, and send out your invoices. Sync your financials with your accounting software and you're always on top of your game.
The feedback that I get from my builders for Buildxact is really positive. It saves them a lot of time and they can fully operate their whole business throughout this software.
The best thing about Buildxact I've found is the takeoff tool and the ability to work out quantities and areas in a matter of minutes.
Where you load your plans and then you can actually draw your square meterage or your lineal meterage is fantastic.
It cuts out a lot of time with the pen and paper, that's for sure.
Anyone still using paper and spreadsheets to do your takeoff? What are you doing? Buildxact will save you hours.
Since using Buildxact, the accuracy and quality of our quotes has certainly improved.
I did one last night. It took about an hour and a half to send off the quote. Before Buildxact, it would have taken about 4 hours, I would say, to produce the same sort of thing.
The cost tracking features of Buildxact are fantastic. I can very quickly pull up my job breakdowns, see exactly where expenditure is in regard to our quoting. I can see if I've got cost overruns, I've got work left to be performed within that trade.
When you use Buildxact to create an estimate or quote, you can access your Mitre 10 price list right in the platform. No more phone calls and emails, simply manage everything online. Once the job is won, you can send purchase orders directly from Buildxact, with the correct Mitre 10 product codes already included. Orders can be processed faster with fewer mistakes.
Having an updated Mitre 10 price list in my Buildxact program will certainly help me to create more accurate estimates, work on my variations quicker, directly with my clients. I'll be able to bring prices up and look at those changes on the spot.
In one click of a button, they can send me the material list that they're after for the next stage of their build.
Yeah, it'll give me a lot more confidence on making sure we've got the correct pricing.
If you're a builder still using spreadsheets, pen and paper, I would highly recommend Buildxact to other builders and really see how you can cut down your time that you're spending in your office, get a better picture of where your business sits at the touch of a button.
Keen to learn more? Start a 14-day free trial or book a demo. Head to mitre10.buildxact.com.au. Buildxact. We're behind you.